everyone. I feel very happy and honored to be given this opportunity to exhibit my artworks here in Banguel, in no less than the provincial capital, during this momentous event on its 92nd foundation anniversary, the Abranian Kawayan Festival 2009. For this, my heartfelt thanks to the provincial government of Abra. Ang manakunay kada Governor Takip kay Ma'am Ruby tinatoy intenda na Gundaway. At that very instant, I told her I will entitle my exhibit Iliw Iti Ili. I'm a pharmacist, not a fine arts graduate, and yet here I am presenting to you my artworks because perhaps it comes from my heart. And my sentiment is no other than my Iliw Iti Ili. One morning in January, lines came crossing my mind and I had to jot them down or I'll get lost. It's the same thing when an idea pops in my mind. I have to sketch it right away. Hasta tibiyang the artist. Allow me then to share with you the lines I've composed expressing my Iliw Iti Ili. Dimten iti fiesta, Ili ti Banguel ken probinsya ti Abra. Tunggal maysa mangisagana, pakakitaan timpuyo ken panagkaykaysa. Siya, sika, datayo, ti makuna nga Abrenyo. Anyat mabalin tayo may pakita, maitulong when may jaya. Kabukbukulan man when mangibagi, iti maysa maumong barangay when ili. Napatay tayo iti daytoy akanito, mainged a puli, dagiti Abrenyo. Agtignay tayo, itanggayan iti ima, mangragpat arapa, arangay ken pakya.
Let's all move, let's open our arms.